Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best hand rakes in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Omu Garden Kneeler and Seat Heavy Duty. Upgraded gardening stool with thicker and wider EVA foam kneeling pad foldable garden bench with 2 large tools pouches. Gifts for women, men, seniors, gardener. 2-in-1 garden stool. This dual-function gardening tool is the perfect way to ease gardening's physical toll. Raise the legs to make a comfy bench or lay it flat on the ground for a supportive kneeling pad. Your back and knees will thank you. Tough and weatherproof frame. The solid steel frame and thickened partition of this Omu garden kneeler and seat can support up to 330 olves. Whether it's rain, dirt, snow, or more, this garden kneeler can handle it all. Ultimate comfort kneeling pad. Show your body some love. The ultra-soft, high-quality EVA cushion on this garden kneeler reduces painful pressure on your joints, keeping you comfortable for long periods of time. Stay organized with tool pouches. 2 detachable tool bags ensure that your tools of the trade are always close at hand. Use them to store your clippers, spades, trowels, sprayer, and everything in between. Number 2. LTKYERMMOR Garden Kneeler and Seat Heavy Duty Gardening Bench for kneeling and sitting folding garden stools with tool pouch and kneeling pad. Multifunctional design. This garden kneeler is a multifunctional garden tool, which can be a seat when it's standing and a kneeler when flipped over. No assembly required. Just take it out and then you can start your garden time. Foldable and sturdy design. The garden kneeler folds up easily and compactly, easy to carry in storage. Folded dimensions 22.5 L x 10.6 L x 5 H. Weight 5.7 oz. Constructed with a solid steel frame will provide support for your arms when kneeling down and getting up. Weight capacity 300 pounds. Convenient tool bag. Bonus with a removable tool pouch with pocket. It is perfect for keeping your tools kit and convenience. This garden kneeler is a great gift choice for your family members and friends who loves gardening. Number 1. Tomcare Garden Kneeler Seat Garden Bench Garden Stools Foldable Stool with Tool Bag Pouch. EVA Foam Pad Outdoor Portable Kneeler Gardening Gifts for Women Men. Large 21.65 x 10.62 x 18.89. Green. A multifunctional kneeler. It is not only a kneeler, but also a seat. You can use it as a kneeler when weeding and also can use it as a seat when fishing. 2 convenient tool bags. One large tool bag has 4 pockets, and another small tool bag has 3 pockets. It is very convenient to keep your tools outdoor. And you can also take it down anytime. It's easy to clean. Easy to store. With portable and foldable stool, lightweight, our kneeler is easy to storage, and it will not take up too much your space. Durable and high-quality material. We use foam padded cushion and durable stool. The foam cushion can make you more comfortable after a long time stopping and avoid possible injuries. The max weight is 330.69 oz.